boy Marvel Kid 87 back at you again with another video. I finally got the GoPro mounted on the helmet. So excited. I know a while ago I told you guys that I finally got the camera, but I do live in Jersey. The weather here is pretty bad. It's been 20 degrees, 30 degrees. I wasn't gonna be riding out like that. We're finally getting some nice weather right now. High 40s, 50s, and now even 60s coming up this week soon. And I have a whole bunch of videos that I want to do lined up. So every week there will be a new video now. We finally got some beautiful weather. Today's a sunny day. It's gorgeous. Decided to take a little ride around town and see, test a little GoPro out. Today's video, I wanted to have a little conversation. I thought it would be a cool idea to talk about the reason why I ride. And I'm pretty sure it's the same reason why most of you guys ride out there. Obviously, reason number one, I've always wanted to ride since I was younger. What's cooler than riding a badass bike? Like this Iron 883 is amazing. And if you're new to my channel, you could scroll down. I'm even gonna link some videos up so you can see, check out a few of my other videos that I have already, especially on this bike. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe as well. If you're into Harleys, irons, any mods, you're definitely in the right place. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Reason number two, freedom. You're on a bike. I feel free. It's just me in the open road. The sound of this beauty, it's like no other. You get that raw feeling of a raw American bike. That sound is just amazing. The independence that you can only get from twisting the throttle and going fast and having that wind hit you is amazing. Feeling that wind hitting your body and the smell of Mother Nature, it's definitely like no other. Reason number three, it's definitely a stress reliever. It's a way to find your zen. You're on the open road, and for those few minutes, if you're riding out for an hour, riding even if it's for 10 minutes, you forget about your troubles for that day. Everything that's gone wrong, you forget about your bills, you forget about anything, and it's just you and the nature, and it's an amazing feeling, man. Just love it. Another reason why, connection. I like to. It's an amazing feeling to connect with the world, and you notice everything when you're riding that you wouldn't even if you were driving a car or getting driven around. You pay attention to so much, every little detail that's ahead of you. The smell, the cut grass, the bad smells as well, the fumes. Anything, good smells, bad smells. Like I mentioned before, you get that wind hitting your face, and you feel like you're flying. It's just amazing. And another reason, I just mentioned it, but when I'm on this bike, I feel like I'm flying. The feeling is like no other. It's you're mounted on this bike, you're rolling on these two little wheels, and it's just so much, the excitement, and at the same time, it is dangerous. You're on two bikes. You don't have any airbags. If you get hit, then you're gonna go down harder. You're probably gonna hurt yourself. But the feeling of knowing that, and just it's just badass, man. You're on a bike, and it's just freedom. Another reason, commuting. Commuting is way faster. If you're gonna use a bike to commute, if you're gonna go to work, or whether it being whatever it is your destination is gonna be, commute is always gonna be a nice little perk. Right now I'm at the stoplight. I wasn't trying to zigzag through cars. It's illegal here. I live in Jersey. We're not supposed to be zigzagging through cars, anything like that. But if when it comes to that, if you want to do it, and you do it. I mean, I do it sometimes here and there, but I like to take my time when I'm on a bike. I like to, you know, try to stay as safe as possible. There's a lot of crazy drivers out there. That's I think I might do a video like that coming up, because I did take the safety course. That's how I got my license, when I took the course, and I did learn a lot of safety tips that I do apply every day. I think that might be a cool video that I'll do one day. Basically paying attention to every little step, any little movement you make, every switch you're making, anytime you hit the clutch, anytime you brake. So I mean, if that's something you might be interested in, drop your comments below. I definitely want to do that. I think it might be helpful for any new riders out there that might be interested in learning how to ride. I mean, learning the basics before you get on a bike is absolutely the number one most important thing you should do. You should always know the basics before you get on a bike. Know what's around you, know your surroundings, know what to do, know what not to do at any time, and just being extra cautious and knowing what to do and at any occasion where you may have to dip out of the lane or avoid a pothole, avoid a car, or avoid a person, you know, avoid anything. That might be a good idea. You know, and last but not least, it's you meet, and it's funny and it's corny to say, but you do meet the nicest people on motorcycles. Like, forget about what people tell you, that, you know, the negative things that people have said about, you know, bikers before. This, you know, we're in a new generation now where, you know, back in the day, bikers did have a bad reputation for the, you know, things that go on, and, you know, a lot of negative stuff. But it's really not like that. Even other bikers, when I'm out riding, like, you know, you don't know anyone, but everyone always gives you a peace sign. Everyone always says what's up. You pull up to a stop sign and people stop and admire your bike, especially this bike, because everyone seems to just love this bike. So you do get a lot of attention. Everyone's pretty nice for the most part. Alright guys, gonna make my way back home right now. Like I said before, if you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's gonna notify you anytime I do have a new video. Hit that bell button. I would really appreciate that. I really want to thank my supporters. I've been getting a lot of love from you guys, a lot of comments, and a lot of you guys hitting me up on my social media, on my Instagram, MarvelKid87. If you're not following me, follow me on my Instagram. And it's awesome to get a lot of positive feedback from the videos that I've done already. And you know, a lot of you guys have been mentioning things, you know, topics you guys want me to talk about, or even different videos on the bike, which, like I said before, I have a list of things that I'm gonna do. And I want to thank my audience. I was looking through my analytics, and I do have a big following. Most of my followers are from the US, yes, but I do have a lot of followers from Thailand, the UK, and India. So I wanna send a special shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. I know you know, you guys are all the way across the world, and it means a lot. I mean, it's awesome that you guys are at home watching my videos from another place in the world, and that to me is like a cool factor right there. Definitely makes me want to put out more content, and I am very appreciative of everything, guys. And there's my house. Gotta pull in now. Thank you guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace.